tips for women preparing for marriage or those already in marriage. Please, if you're a married woman, I would like you to do what? Pay attention to all I'm about to mention. And if you're a married man, please don't skip this video. It can benefit your wife. You can forward it to her. By the grace of God, she might impute this in your marriage. Number one on my list is, as a married woman, on no condition or occasion should you do what? Exchange words with your husband. Most especially in the midst of conflict. When you're having arguments and that man is saying bullshit, he's not making sense. My sister, for the healthy of your marriage, for peace and the continuity of that love which you guys are sharing or once shared, don't do what? Banter words with him. Don't exchange words with him. I'm not saying that you should swallow whatever he's saying, but for that moment, his anger is so high. Please do well to do what? Close your mouth. Because believe me, no matter what you say at that moment, he's not listening to you and he's not thinking right. All he will conclude that moment is you are disrespecting him. And no man loves to be disrespected. Even the most least of them. Do not do what? Utter a word. Learn to close your mouth. Allow him to knock finish. When he's done talking, when he's calm, maybe he might step out, come back, or in the middle of the night, tap him. When you feel that he's in a good mood, tap him. Tell him, honey, I am sorry if I must have said anything that must have triggered your anger. But please, look at this thing, look at this thing. Do you think it's right? Come with a patient. At that moment, he'll be calm enough to do what? Listen to you and think and reflect about what you are about to say or what you have already said. Please, as a woman, practice this. It's going to benefit you, okay? Then number 2 is stop sharing your husband's weaknesses to your friends. Stop sharing your husband's weaknesses to your bestie, people that you call your bestie. They can be your sister, they can be your brother, they can be your classmate, they can be whosoever. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Because there is one thing we don't know. When our husband is being disrespected, our honor is being what? Shattered. Our ego, our pride as a woman is being mopped, is being used to mop the floor. Your husband is your crown. Learn how to do what? Keep your mouth shut and walk inside about that weaknesses. Remember, nobody is perfect, even you. Learn how to do what? Discuss with your husband about his weaknesses, things you don't like he is doing, and commit it in the hands of God. Stop talking to anybody that cares to listen. In some cases, they are going to bring you more harm than good. And in some cases, again, many of them are patiently waiting for you to come with that story because they are not happy that you are happy in your marriage. So as a lady, learn how to do what? Close your mouth. In terms of family side, remember, your family cannot be able to do what? Erase whatsoever you must have discussed about your husband with them. You as a wife, you can be able to do what? Forget and forgive. But your family might not be able to do what? Forget it. They'll be looking at your husband with one kind eye like this. Okay? Then the third one is be in control as a woman, but do it calmly and respectful. If you are the type that your husband like keeping late nights, instead of you to call him on phone and start nagging, where are you? Haven't the shop closed? Haven't the time for office closed? Haven't this closed? You ought to be at home. Your kids are this. Your kids are waiting for you. Blah, 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 blah. My sister, breathe in, breathe out. Pick up that phone. Like 2 hours, you have expected him to come back. He's not back. Call him and start the conversation with, honey, how are you doing? I hope today went well. Because me and you know that he's not in the what shop or office. The shop have long closed or the office have done what long close. Ask him calmly, how was today? I hope nobody looked for your trouble. Please, I'm done cooking. I've been waiting for you to come back, so we're gonna eat together. And the kids will do what? Like to see you too before they do what? Go to bed. We are done with that call. Then you can add by telling him, I know that you might be out there with your friends, trying to chill, talk about some things. But while doing that, remember that you keep somebody at home who is longing to see you, to do what? Give you a kiss before doing what? Going to bed. Okay? Believe me, no sensible man will hear this and will not be hunger to do what? Take his car key or stop a bike, a car, and do what? Get home. Everything is not all about nagging, my fellow women. Last but not the least, try to be supportive. This one I need to come on my glass while saying it. Try to do what? Be supportive. Being supportive is not all about, finance. You can be supportive emotionally. You can be supportive by giving your husband advice. You can support him by bringing money to the table when you have it. I'm saying it though. Try to do what? To be supportive. Don't always be a taker. Many women have in mind that marriage is a poverty elevation, poverty erasing. I don't know how you guys normally say it, but that is not it. Try to be supportive, because these men, believe me, they are going through a lot. And in some cases, they'll find it so difficult to do what? Communicate with you, because they don't know what is going to come out of your mouth. They don't know how you are going to take it. And this is why some men find comfort in the hands of what? Side chicks. There are people that talk to them, give them advice, engage with them in the areas that they are finding difficult. Try to be your wife and be that side chick. I hope I'm communicating. Okay? Have an amazing day. I love you. I remain your girl, Daniel Rajes. If you are seeing it from my YouTube, please, I beg you, do what? Subscribe. It doesn't pay to subscribe. And if you are seeing this from my TikTok, do what? Like, share, and add this to your rights. Okay? Love you. Bye.